Yes, my good guys out there. I remain Dr. Diazun, as you know, your lecturer on chemistry on social media. But right away, we'll be dealing on biology topics. And so far, we have treated under this topic genetic terminologies. We have treated part 1, part 2, part 3. We are in part 4, and we'll be seeing these various terms. Let us see what they are. Now, the first one is filial generation. Filial generation. Now, listen to what I have here. The offspring of the parents make up the filial generation. That is, the first husband and wife, when they give birth to children, those children they give birth to are referred to as the first filial generation. You see, that is the direct children of the husband and wife. To make you understand, the direct children that came out from the loins and the womb of the husband and wife, put to say, are the first filial generation. So we have first, we have second, we have also third filial generation, as the case may be. All right. Now, when that happens, we give a notation. F, one you are seeing, means the first filial generation, direct children from the husband and wife. Then second filial generation, if those children now marry somewhere and they give birth to children, we cross them. That means the grandchildren now, so to speak now, is not the second filial generation. If those grandchildren marry and give birth to other children again, that is the great grandchildren, if you want to call it that way, that's called the third filial generation, called F3. That is how we denote them. Then another one is called hybrid here, another term, hybrid. Hybrid is the offspring or the progeny from a crossbreed between two organisms or parents, which are genotypically different or having unlike traits or characters. Now look at it now. If somebody is very, very short and somebody is very, very tall, maybe 7 feet. Now let's assume that the husband, the man, is 7 feet and the wife is just 3 feet. Can you see it now? And you crossbreed them. That means the husband and the woman marry and they give birth to children that are average, or some maybe getting taller than the father, or getting shorter than the mother, or having a different height, quite different from the father and the mother. Then such products are called hybrids. They are called hybrids. And it means that they have a genotypes that are quite different from the father and the mother. Call them hybrids. Then we go to another one called hybrid vigor. Hybrid vigor is the production of new varieties within species, then which are what? Healthier, maybe, or have greater resistance to diseases, and probably are better adapted to the environment as a result of the crossbreeding of no related members of the species. See, when, like now, you have a mango plant that has very good seeds and big, big fruits, and you have another one that the fruits are not very good like that, and the one that you have is the one that the fruit is not going to do better, and you want to crossbreed them, and you bring the good one and the bad one, and you crossbreed, and it gives you a better type. You see, that is what we call the hybrid vigor. To be resistance, to be healthier, to be more bigger, and then adapting to the environment. That is hybrid vigor. We have what is called sex-linked character. Now, these are traits or characters that are associated with the sex of an individual. The gene for the expression of the character is born on one of the sexes, which is the X chromosome. See, like we know that the male is XY chromosomes and the female is always XX. XX. Now, the sex of a child or the gender is determined by the crossbreed of this. We'll get to that. Now, when a particular character is attached or associated with just only one of the gametes, it is called a sex-linked character. If suppose this one is having a smaller eye, like Apper's 5-eye type of character, and that is what happens. And if this particular sex cell gets to fertilize any of these, that child will have Apper's 5-eye, whether it is the boy or girl. So that character is because what? A sex-linked character. So it's not a matter of transferring of character again, but it's already in the gene. So the moment that gene attacks any of the female's sex gamete, then that character will come to play. We call it sex-linked characters. So please like this video, share it to your friends that who may need it. And please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educative lectures. Thank you.